Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today I am going to show you, I have bought from Ever Stylish. I bought like 6 to 7 pairs of earrings and one bracelet, which I really like the product. I was not expecting that much because they were so cheap online. So I thought कि पता नहीं कैसा होगा, कैसा मिलेगा, but I am so impressed, so impressed with the products that I have got, that I have received from them. They are super amazing, super quality and very beautiful. So let's just start with the video, but before that please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, so whenever I upload a video you will be notified. And guys, I'm most active on Instagram, so you can follow me on Instagram if you have any questions regarding makeup, skincare, fashion, lifestyle, anything. My Insta ID is makeupstyles_by_Shreya. I'll put the link in description box below. Let's just start with this bracelet which I have got from Ever Stylish. They are really amazing. These are golden heart rhinestone bracelet. I have not tried any of these these earrings. So this is how it looks like. This looks very stunning, like the diamonds, they are studded so properly, like कहीं से भी कुछ भी नहीं निकल रहा है, and the finishing is so perfect. Let me just show you wearing this. तो ये adjustable वाला है, आप इसको अपने हाथ के हिसाब से adjust कर सकते हैं. तो मुझे थोड़ा ये ऐसा चाहिए. So you can see how beautiful this looks. Really amazing. I really like the product. And guess how much I got this for? I got this for ₹98. Imagine. Now coming on to next, I have this beautiful, like my favorite from all of them. It's their Midnight Ocean Blue studded statement earring. This is how it looks. Alright, so let me just show you this quickly to you. Do you see that? So this is how it looks. Very beautiful, very pretty. If you're going for a wedding, if you are wearing some ethnic, so this will go perfect with your dress. Very beautiful. This looks so nice, so elegant. Cost me rupees. It was so costly, I can't even tell you. This one was really very costly, trust me. No you don't. This is for ₹149. Imagine, $149, and you are getting such a beautiful product. The link of Glamour golden statement earring. This is how it looks. Yet another beautiful earring from Ever Stylish, and this cost me, no, this time I will not lie, trust me. So yeah, this cost me ₹118. Yes, this cost me ₹118. And guys, so beautiful. See, so beautiful, nice golden color. Very pretty, very nice, very affordable, very good quality product. Beautiful this looks. Very nice. And if you want to wear with, you know, अगर आपको western के साथ भी पहनना है, तो this will go perfect with western also. I'm really liking their products. And I told you, yeah, this cost me ₹118. Wow, I'm going to order some more earrings from them and want to try their necklace also. They have beautiful necklace on their website. Coming on to next, I have this Royal Affair studded dazzling earring. Do you see that? So beautiful, so amazing. This is something really beautiful with pink, little bit of diamond, some golden color here, silver. This will go perfect with your lehengas, or if you're wearing a sari, this is going to look amazing. This is for ₹156. So beautiful. See, is going to make you look more beautiful. Next I have the Geometric Playthings Golden Statement Danglers. ये तो आप सबको पसंद आएगा. I mean, मैंने एक कान का ये पर्ल इयरिंग निकाला है ताकि मैं आपको दिखा सकूं. तो please don't mind. If you want, I can remove this also and show you. Alright, so these danglers you can use on everyday basis. If you're going out, if you're going to your office, workplace, you can just put this danglers. This looks so beautiful. Very nice, very lightweight. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मतलब इसमें बिल्कुल भी इतना हैवी नहीं कि यार इसको डाल लिया तो अभी यार कैसे इसको पहने, इतना हैवी लग रहा है. नथिंग लाइक दैट. दिस कॉस्ट मी 148 rupees. They have offers also on their website. You can just go and check them out. They take a lot of time, like 1 week to ship your products, but you will get everything so nicely packed, properly packed. तो आपके कोई भी एक भी प्रोडक्ट डैमेज नहीं होते हैं. नेक्स्ट आई हैव दिस ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर सर्कल ऑक्सीडाइज्ड बोहो इयररिंग्स. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. एक्चुअली माई फेस इज लॉन्ग, तो मुझ पे ये ऐसे राउंड इयररिंग्स बहुत सूट होते हैं. बट या आई लाइक लॉन्ग ऑल्सो. आई लाइक लॉन्ग इयररिंग्स ऑल्सो. एंड दिस इज ब्यूटिफुल एंड दिस कॉस्ट मी अराउंड, not around, this cost me exactly rupees 90. And this looks so pretty. You can see how beautiful this looks on my ears. Order 2 or 3 earrings if you want. If you think कि हाँ पता नहीं कैसा होगा क्या होगा, buy 2 or 3 products and then you can see ना. उसके बाद तो फिर आपको मालूम चल जाएगा कि कैसा है, क्या है, लेना चाहिए कि नहीं लेना चाहिए. बट ट्रस्ट मी, अगर आप ऑर्डर करोगे एक बार तो आपको बहुत पसंद आने वाला है. बहुत मतलब बहुत. नेक्स्ट आई हैव दिस एलिगेंस इज अ डेडली वेपन व्हाइट पर्ल स्टेटमेंट इयररिंग. वाओ, ब्यूटीफुल इयररिंग. So happy, and I'm going to buy from them only. If you guys want me to show their necklace also, please do let me know in the comment box below, so I'll buy more from them and will show you guys. So do you see this? So pretty and beautiful. So that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked my video. Go and definitely check them out. This is not a sponsored, paid, nothing. Is just my opinion, my thoughts that I have, which I wanted to share with you all. And so yeah, that's all. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.